Hello everyone, we are in the last range of our neck. We call it پایین دسته. پایین means down. پایین دسته. So we already know sol, la, si bemol, and la, si bekar or natural has two in between, bemol and couronne, or flat or quarter tone. Now we are in B natural here, half a step, and our exception, because we have only one fret, we are going just to leave it alone. Si, do, re, B natural, C and D, and we are going just to learn the other intervals on Si me sol, Fa dièse sol, La, or F sharp, G, A natural. Page 23, lesson number 45. 1 and 2 and. Later you can play tremolo. Do, si, do, re, do, si, do, rest. Va. F sharp or fa dièse, sol, la, sol, fa dièse or F sharp, sol. Don't worry about the second line on its system. Lesson 46. 8th note. Do, do, si, do, re, do, si. Si, do, re, re, do, si, do. Re, re, do, do, si, do, si. Si, do, re, si, do. Sol, sol, la, la, si, si, do. Re, re, do, do, si, si, la. Do, do, si, si, la, la, sol. La, la, sol, fa, sol. Just don't worry about these lessons. You need to practice this interval by yourself and make your exercises by yourself, and then you can get used to it. So come from the top, middle range, and the low range, or پایین دسته range, and then you can practice all note that you wanted. Let's practice number 47, page 24. We call it gom. The things that is so important in this kind of lesson is finger position. Free, first, second, third, first, second, and then same. Second, first, but backward, of course. Second, first, 3, 2, 1, open or free. Okay, then you are going to be master of the intervals. Just remember the finger numbers under the notation is so important. Number 48. It called the سرود آسان, means easy song. It's talking about there is no problem that you cannot solve. You would be good if you can solve any problem that it seems at the beginning it's hard, but you will solve the situation. Again, do, re, mi, fa, and then third finger on sol or G, mi, fa, sol at the same time, please. This is the important issue on this lesson. Sol, fa, mi, re, mi, re, fa, mi, re, do. So before for this you have one bit of rest. Prepare yourself and then practice this one. Re and rest, and during the rest you can be prepared for this technique. Number 49, same intervals coming through the neck, and you're supposed to be careful about finger position, the number of the finger position that you are going to use. One, two, two, one, two, one, three, and then you can repeat it again and again and again. The other one, same page, number 50, called Surud Tambali. That means lazy song. Here you have the technique without rest. Without rest. 3, 2, 1. So please practice second and third bar a lot. Sol, fa, mi, va, fa, mi, re, va. And lots of time. Same. And you don't have time. Repeat it. Same technique. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. Number 51, again intervals and a little bit faster, please. And faster and faster. Number 52. Talking about rhythm, 1 and half, 1 and 2, and then you are going just to play different note. So we are going to experience like 1 and half for the same note, for example re or la or sol, anything, re mi or sol fa. We call it خط اتحاد.